DegreeWorks Degree Audit, Requirements versus Credits. When reading your degree audit, you'll notice two circles that track your progress to degree completion. The first circle tracks your completed requirements, and the second tracks your completed credits towards your degree. To complete your degree here at SPS, you must receive 120 credits. The completed credit circle tracks your progress towards finishing all 120 credits. This circle should be at 100% during your final semester, meaning you are eligible for graduation. The requirements section indicates the completion of the requirements listed in the main section of your degree audit. This circle may not show 100% complete when you are eligible for graduation, and that is okay. This circle will show 100% once your degree application is processed by the registrar's office and all listed requirements are met. You must ensure that the credit circle is 100% to imply graduation eligibility.